Hey there, welcome back to Peak Coding. In last video, I showed you how to create a basic WhatsApp chatbot using ChatGPT and PHP. If you haven't watched that video yet, I suggest you to check it out before watching this one. In this video, we are going to take our chatbot to the next level by using an AI model called DALL-E to generate images based on user input. DALL-E is a really cool technology developed by OpenAI that can create images from text. Alright, let's get started first. First, have a look at the demo. So let me open my chat. Here we need to specify user input. Let's say I'm writing Superman with bad face. Let's see the result. So as you can see, it's come up with this image. As you can see, let's say now Superman with funny face. Let's see what's come. So as you can see, now it returned this. Okay, so in this video I'm not going to write code from scratch because we have already write code in previous video. So if you haven't watched that video, please watch that first so you will understand the complete concept of this video. So let's write code. So this is the test file that we have written in previous video. We will make only few changes in this file. Okay, so I'm in text editor where we have written previous code. So we need to make some changes here. So first of all, we need to change this prompt data. Will remain like this, but here we need to specify number of images, how many images we want. So we want only one image in return, so we need to specify one. And after that we need to specify size of image. What will be the size of image. So let's say I'm saying 256 by 256. Alright, so remove all data like this. The second thing is we need to change the this URL, current request URL. So we need to send here, we need to change images / generation. Alright, that's it. And scroll down a little bit. Here we need to write data and URL. That's it. And so next step is WhatsApp. Here we need to specify, first of all we need to specify a type. Type will be image. And after that we will send image to the user. So here we need to write a link like this. Link will be equal to our final response from a DALL-E API. So this is our response. So that's it. Just save it and test it again. Let's say YouTube logo. So as you can see, it returned a YouTube logo. If you want to get the source code of this project, please check out the GitHub repository link in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you.